How to fix GPU crash in Marvel Rivals. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your Steam over here. Now assume that this is Marvel Rivals. So it's going to be the exact same process, so don't worry guys. So simply right click on your Marvel Rival games, click on properties, and click on installed files. You're going to browse your installation folder or your file, which will open this link or our file explorer over here containing our files, of course, for our Marvel Rivals. And you're just going to navigate to the launcher. So it should be named Marvel Rivals underscore launcher. That should be what you're looking for. After that, click on right click on properties, and this is what you're going to see. You're then going to click on compatibility, and you're going to click on compatibility mode. Click on run this program in compatibility mode. And after that, you're just simply going to click on run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply, click on OK, and restart your PC. And that should fix your issue with your GPU crash. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.